Buju ginawa birasige kwe ndayama nungum. Endayani iho sikibika no kiwa nungum. Kinandake kendani iyo jinakadeg o. Minuma giwi mawando ni iyo ingodwak. Minawa jinakadeg iyo. Ani na jinakadeg iyo. Gwiya gigadod iyo. Neningodwaasing. Ne, nin, go, dwa, sing. Sing. Wait, ni oshabian. Maybe my gaucha. Wait, ni ga ikigadori. Ne, ning, go, dwa, sing. Da ikadori yo jinakadeg. Ne, nin, go, dwa, sing. Neningodwaasing and jinakadeg yo nasabi go giwia yamen o ingodwak. It's also 100. Ingodwak. You could call it Neningodwaasing, which they're called your hundreds. Magaja go ingodwak. Ich bin giwia yamen mawandun gekina iyo. Ingodwak 100. Giwia yamen oma 100. Oma. Ni nawa. Mawandun. Neningodwaasing iyo ni ingodwak giwia yamen iyo nijwak iyo nijwak oma ich bin gekina iyo bejugo sing iyo. If you were to count every single one of these, there would be 100 in each of these big grids. That's how we get our Neningodwaasing. Minoa go giwi mawandon iyo ingodwak. Giwi mawandon iyo ingodwak omaya. Giwi tunamam o. Ingodwak ma. Anishminik giwi ayaminamana. Basic nij niswe. Niswe Neningodwaasing. Niswe Neningodwaasing. Basic nij niswe. Minoa go giwi ayamin o. Niswak. Niswe, niswak. Nij o. Or nij gawingego. 2 zeros. Niswe, gawingego, niswak. Gwiya yamin oma. Basic nij niswe. Neningo saguns. Minoa giwizit again. Gwinandika kenan iyo. Nungum. Babanan iyo. Gwimawandon iyo basic. The basic ingodwak. Let's add another 100. Ma. Gatunama. Anishmanik Neningo saguns giwia yamen. How many hundreds do we have? Anishmanik Neningo saguns giwia yamen. Basic nij niswe niwen. Niwen Neningodwaasing. Neningodwaasing. Mino ago giwia oshabian iyo. Niwen. Gawingego. Anishmanik iyo. Niwak. Ich bin gigiwa banani iyo nij gawingego moya. Giwi nandiga kendan. Kidai kadod. Walk. If you see these 2 zeros, you can say walk at the end. Or if you have these 2 extra spaces here, you can say walk. Especially if this number here. So niwak. Ni is for niwen. Niwak. Got 400. Basic nij niswe niwen. Niwen Neningo saguns. 4,000s. Nasabigo. Dibishkugo. Niwak. It's the same as 400. Ginandika kenan. You kind of get it. We don't have enough room to giwabanani o nanwak, ingodwaaswak, nijwak, ishwaswak, Jangaswak, Midaswak. We don't have enough room to look at 500, 600, 700, 800, or 900. But you kind of get it. We're just going to keep adding until we get to Neningosagons, or thousands. Nungom kaye. Kiwi agandani yo. Kiwi wabindani yo mazanakizon. Kiwi ojatoni yo sigabiagan. So today you're going to look at pictures and you're going to tell me what the numbers are. We're going to shisigabiagan o. Most of the time they're going to be from biggest number, your Neningosagons o maya. They're going to be on your namanjinakan, your left hand side, and then in your middle namai, you're going to have your memedaching, and then you have your bebejikosing on your gichinakan, your right hand side. Minoago gewi agandan, and then you just count how many are there of those ones. You put the number right below it. If there's one of these hundreds, go should be on basic. You just put a basic. Anishminikoma, basic nij. Nij memedaching. Anishminik bebejikosing, many once. Basic nij niswe. Niswe. And then we have Ingodwak, Nishtana Ashin Niswe. 123. Ingodwak, Nishtana Ashin Niswe. Let's try this with a bigger number now. Oma. Basic. Nij. Niswe. Basic Nij. Niswe. Niwen. Nanin. Give me again. Minawa. Anishpigwe yaminama. Ginandake kenga. Giwe agandan iyo. Basic Nij Niswe. Niswe Neningo 300s. Ingo ojabian iyo. Niswe oma. Niswak. So we know we have 300. Giwe mawandon iyo. Memedaching. Let's count our hundreds. Medaswe. Nishtana. Desimadana. Nimadana. Nanimadana. Nanimadana. Kiwi aganani iyo. Mawandoni iyo bebejigosing. Let's count our ones. Basic Nij. Nij oma. Okay, get. Kiwi ayamin o. We're going to shishagabiagan. What number is this? Niswak. Nanimadana ashin Nij. Okay, get. Nungum giwia zichigan, gimawandoni iyo, minowa iyo, mazanabi, mazanakizon. So you're going to look at the pictures today and just count out what the number is that these pictures could look like. And then if you get a number that looks like this number at the bottom, I want you to show me what it looks like using our makakunsag. Using our blocks. Kiwi budgetun makakunsag. Neningosagons, memedaching, minawa bebejigosing. Show me what the number is using your hundreds, your tens, and your ones blocks. Misiyo nunggo miigwach pisandawian. Gagawa min waiba.